Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new, and here on my channel I do a lot of cleaning and organization type videos, but I also do lifestyle and motherhood stuff as well. If you are new, I hope that you stick around. We would love to have you. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also you can follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch. Today I am going to be sharing with you what is in my diaper bag. So I have never done this type of video before, but I personally am a little bit nosy and I like to know what other people keep in their diaper bags. Sometimes I don't even realize that I need something, and then I see that somebody else has it in their diaper bag and I'm like, oh, that is a great idea. So I'm gonna let you guys be nosy today and see what is in my diaper bag. A little background before I jump in. I have a almost 3-year-old daughter, and then I also have a 7-month-old little boy. So this diaper bag is packed for both of them, including my stuff as well. There's some stuff in there. All right, so first things first, the diaper bag. This is my diaper bag, and it is the Ryla pack, and this is my personal favorite diaper bag. I would call myself a little bit of a diaper bag snob. I have tried a ton of them since I first had Emerson. Up until now, I have tried a few, not liked a few, and this is the one that I have ultimately decided to go with. I also have a Fawn design diaper bag that I do really like, but personally it's a little bit bulky for me, and I really like this one because it is compact but also has a million pockets, and that to me is like priceless because you guys know I like some organization, so I feel like this bag is like perfect for me. I also really like the color of it. I just went with the black one. I feel like that was really classy. It's got gold hardware on it, and it's just, it feels like it's a purse in addition to being a diaper bag. I don't know. Is that just me? Oh. All right, so now let's get into what I have in my diaper bag. Oh, another thing. My bag at this point, the necessities as a mom: diapers and wipes and snacks. If I had nothing else in my diaper bag besides my wallet and my phone, if I had nothing else in my diaper bag, I would be able to survive with diapers, wipes, and snacks. So that is mostly what I have in my bag. But anyways, the first thing is this front pocket, and the only thing I have in there is a snack for Emerson. She loves these little Pirates Booty snacks. We get a box of the individual bags from Costco, and she loves them, so I just always carry them with us just in case. Also, this is a Band-Aid that I did not know was in here, which is really funny. But hey, you never know when you'll need a Band-Aid. So that is the front pocket. And then on the side, there's 2 identical pockets. This is one that I keep a water bottle in for Emerson. I always bring water with us wherever we go, even if it's just a short trip, because without fail, if I get in the car without bringing her water, she asks for water. So I have just learned to always bring a water bottle with us. This is one from Contigo. We got like a 3-pack of these from Costco as well, and it fits in this pocket really well. It actually has elastic right here, so it is expandable. And then on the other pocket, I keep hand sanitizer and sanitizing spray. These are both from Young Living. We pretty much use all Young Living products all over our home. Baby products, skincare, everything, cleaning, everything is Young Living. So naturally these would be Young Living as well. This one is the hand purifier. The stuff only has good ingredients in it, so I keep this on the side pocket handy. So like if we're done at the park or we're about to eat somewhere, I can just like slap this on all of our hands, on Emerson's hands, and it's just handy to grab out of this little side pocket. And then the next thing is called Thieves Spray, and I use this mostly for if we're gonna like go grocery shopping and need to put the kids in like the little buggy basket. I just spray down the handle, I spray down the seat that they're about to sit on, or if I go to a restaurant and I'm gonna put like Oakley in a high chair or even Emerson in a high chair, and they're putting their hands on the table or they're eating off of the table, or Oakley is like licking the table, I spray this on the table and helps to keep the kiddos well. So another thing I'm going to show you is there's like this back pocket, and I think it's intended to like keep secret stuff in that you don't want anybody to know about, or you know, you can't get like pickpocketed that way. I don't actually keep anything in this pocket, but there is a pocket there. And then on the inside, this is where all the goods are kept. So the first thing, this is what it looks like on the inside. It is jam-packed. More snacks. I keep these handy for Oakley. They're just the Happy Baby little puffs. These are awesome to keep him occupied in the car or at a grocery store, wherever. I'm telling you, I don't go anywhere without a ton of snacks for the kids. The next thing is this little zippered pouch. This is actually a Tory Burch that I got from my aunt. She gave this to me for Christmas one year, and I used to keep lipsticks in it before I had kids. That's how old it is. But now I still keep a lipstick in it. This is my all-time favorite lipstick. If you guys have been with me on my channel for any amount of time, you guys know I am obsessed with this lipstick that I wear every single day. It is MAC Creme Sheen in Modesty, and it is my all-time favorite, and I wear it every single day. Let's put some on right now, right? Because we could use some. Perfect timing. All right, and then next we have essential oils, because I don't go anywhere without essential oils. I use them all day, every day. They have been life-changing for me and my family, so I never go anywhere without them. I have 2 roller bottles right now, but it always changes. It just depends on like the season of life I'm in, or you know, something I'm going through, whatever. So it's always changing. But right now I have, this one is an energy roller, and this one is like a calming roller. So I'm armed and prepared for whatever scenario I might face, if I need to calm down or if I need a boost of energy, because at any given time I could need either one. And then I also have this is Valor, and it's just like confidence in a bottle. So if I am in any kind of like stressful situation, or I just need like a boost of confidence, then I have that handy as well. So this is very, very important to me. Next, I keep my big old wallet in my diaper bag. This is kind of also my purse. If I'm like going out of the house without the kids, I have my wallet and my phone, and I'm good to go. This one has a little like handle on it. I got this from Target. I think it's a New Day brand, and I really like it. I think it's cute and classy, and it's got 2 zippers, which is like essential because I have so much stuff in here. I have so many cards, and I just have a lot of stuff. I also have some like random keys in here. Probably shouldn't be so extra in all the stuff that I have in my wallet, but that's for another day and another time. Okay, next, diapers. This is a little pouch from Pampers, I guess. I don't know how you could get these, but when I was pregnant with Oakley, registered for an Amazon baby registry thing, and when you like complete the registry, then they send you like a gift box, and it's full of all kinds of samples and bottles and diapers. And so I did one for Target and I did one from Amazon, and both of them came with like these little diaper zipper pouches. And so I think I keep one in the car for emergencies, and then I also keep one in my diaper bag, and it holds quite a few diapers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could probably even put 1 or 2 more in there. So the nice thing about life right now is both of my kids are in the same size diapers. Oakley is in a 5 and Emerson is in a 5 as well. So I just have one size diaper that I have to deal with and keep track of at any given time, which is so nice. And then also in here I have a pack of wipes. I just keep a big whole pack. I don't try and like bring a few at a time because I'm always going through them and running out. They're also super handy to have like in case you need to wipe hands, like sticky hands or sticky faces, or clean up spills. Wipes are a gift from God. They are so great. So we get wipes in bulk. We get them from Sam's Club. We used to get them from Costco. We just buy them in bulk now. We try and get the fragrance-free ones if at all possible, because we don't like fragrance. It's not good for you. So there's that. And then I have just in case one tiny little onesie for Oakley. Knock on wood, he doesn't have a lot of blowouts. He doesn't spit up and he doesn't have blowouts. I don't know why, but you never know with babies. You never know. So I do carry a little onesie. Emerson's kind of out of the age where she needs to have a change of clothes. We do though keep a change of clothes for her in the car because you never know. But I don't keep one in the diaper bag with me anymore. All right, so moving on to like the individual pockets. I wish you guys could see this. I'll try and do my best and show you. But there's just so many compartments. There's a zipper here. There's these little pouches there. There's 2 pouches on the sides. And then there's 2 pouches in the front. There's just pouches everywhere, compartments. It is like... So in the front, this front pocket, I have a little toy book for Oakley. It's just one of these little crinkle things. You never know when you're gonna be in a situation and you need to entertain somebody. So that is in there just in case. And it's like super easy to like mush up and it doesn't take up a lot of room. So pack that away later. That's in one pocket. And then in this pocket, I don't know why, but I have, ever since Emerson was born, carried around an extra pair of socks in case someone's feet get cold. I don't know, hands get cold, you run out the door and you've forgotten socks. They're little, they're easy to pack, so I just always have an extra pair of socks in the diaper bag. And then in the back pockets back here, this one, I have a pouch of baby food. So many times I have run out the door and forgotten to bring Oakley food. Most of the time it's just like going to my mom's house or going somewhere that we're gonna be gone for like a long enough amount of time that he's going to need a meal. And that is the worst feeling ever when I forget that, because it's not like I can just like drive through McDonald's and get him a Happy Meal. Like I have to feed him healthy like baby food. This one is by Serenity Kids and this is my new favorite baby food ever. Oh, the ingredients are so clean on them and they're made without sugary fruits. They're made with avocado oil or what is it called? Olive oil. So there's none of that like yucky, highly processed oils in it. Non-GMO, USDA organic. And then another thing that I thought was really interesting is that it doesn't have any ascorbic acid or citric acid, which is really hard to find baby foods without that in large quantities. Like you don't want to be eating a lot of that. And so I just really like that they don't have that in there. Like it's not necessary. So this is my new favorite brand of baby food. I think you guys can get these at Whole Foods. Somebody actually, the Serenity Kids person, founder, owner, sent these to me, but I am definitely going to be making the switch to using these. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. She just sent them to me out of the kindness of her heart, and I really, really like them. So I'm gonna start using these with Oakley. And then I also carry around a baby spoon. I could just feed him out of the pouch, but I prefer to give him the spoon. And then the last thing is I carry just around a granola bar. Again, it's always changing. Whatever we have on hand is what I like pack into the bag for them. But this is like an easy pre-packaged snack. It's a Lara bar, so again, the ingredients are really clean. Emmy calls these chocolate. I think that's so cute because she thinks she's getting a little treat. But really, it's just healthy for her. So another snack for Emerson just in case she needs it. So that is it. That is all the stuff that is in my diaper bag. I hope you guys liked this video. If I have forgotten something, or if you saw something in here that you're like, I have to have that in my diaper bag as well, comment down below. I'd love to chat with you guys there. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already. Follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.